Hi, my name is Sharon Bond. I'm the owner of Dummy Mass Dance, a studio located in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. And in today's Bachata tutorial video, we'll be discussing some more variations of the side-to-side basic. So I do have another video where I talk about some other variations of the side-to-side basic. So please check that out if you would like. And so in this video I will do two more variations, but we'll start with just reviewing the side-to-side basic. And since I'm facing the camera, I will be doing the mirror image of the follows timing. So this will be my right leg. So for the basic side-to-side basic for bachata, you're going to step out with your right, 1 together, 2, 3, tap, 4, then 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. So the taps in the side-to-side basic happen on 4 and 8, and the hip action is the straightening and bending of the knee. You can also accentuate that even more if you would like, but just straightening and bending the knee is enough. So for this first variation, I will call it the tap crossover variation. And so we're going to step out with our right, 1, and then step back with our left, 2. So the side-to-side basic, there's a line of dance. So in this variation, I'm stepping off the line of dance with my left leg going back. Then I'm going to tap with my right, 3 in front, then cross over. So then 5, back, 6, tap, 7, cross, 8. So in this variation of the side-to-side basic, I am tapping on 3 and 7. So to continue that a little smoother, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you notice as I'm doing this move, my body is angled a bit to the side just to make it easier for the crossover, the tap and crossover. So if I turn to do the lead timing, this will be my left leg. So I'll step out 1, back 2, tap 3, cross 4, out 5, back 6, tap 7, cross 8. And while you're doing this step, it's normal bachata arms. So your arms are bent at 90 degrees and they're a little bit away from your body, and the arms and the hands are at waist level. If you're not dancing in couple, obviously. So the next variation that I'll do today is what I will call the crossover cha-cha-cha. So in this variation, we will be doing a cha-cha-cha step on 3 and 4, and then 7 and 8. So for the ladies timing, stepping out with my right, 1, back 2, 3 and 4, out 5, back 6, 7 and 8. So you notice that the leg in front, I'm stepping with my full foot, so ball to heel, but the foot in back is on the ball only. So that allows for quicker movement of the steps. And you also notice that when I'm doing this move, there's a bit of a twisting motion to the body. So out 1, back 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So turning around for the lead timing, stepping out with my left, 1, back 2, 3 and 4, out 5, back 6, 7 and 8. So let's put those moves to music. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on two other variations of the side-to-side basic. For more information on classes that we offer, please visit our website at dummymassdance.ca, and please check us out on Facebook at Dummy Mass Dance Studio and on Instagram at Dummy Mass Dance. Thanks for watching.